Welcome to the class. Let's start one word a day.
If you're looking to expand your English vocabulary in a simple and fun way, you're in the right place. Every day, we'll introduce a new word, break down its meaning, and show you how to use it in real-life examples. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your skills, learning just one word a day will help you grow your vocabulary and speak with confidence. Hit subscribe and let's start building your English one word at a time. Have you ever sent a message and got no reply? No explanation, no goodbye, just silence? That is what we call being ghosted. Today's word is to ghost someone. And no, we're not talking about haunted houses. Let's say it slowly. Ghosted. It starts with a hard G sound, like go, then rhymes with boasted. Go on, say it with me. Ghosted. One more time, nice and creepy. Recently, a kiss cam video went viral, but not because of the kiss. It was the message that followed. You can't ghost me, not after everything. Let's learn what that really means. The word ghost is usually a spooky spirit, but in slang, it means something totally different. To ghost someone means you suddenly stop talking to them. No calls, no messages, nothing. Like you just vanish. Imagine a cat you've been texting for days, and then, poof, they disappear into thin air like a ghost. No reply. That's ghosting. So next time someone just vanishes from your chat, they've ghosted you. Let's look at some real-life examples. 1. I thought we were getting along really well and then, she just ghosted me. No reply, no explanation, just gone. 2. I was gonna hire that freelancer, but he ghosted after the first message. Kinda unprofessional, don't you think? 3. You can't just ghost me like that. Not after everything we've shared. At least have the decency to say goodbye. You can use ghost as a verb. He ghosted me. Or describe someone with it. He's such a ghoster. Even the phrase, don't ghost me, is super common these days. Okay, let's test you. What does it mean if someone ghosts you? A. They dress like a ghost. B. They ignore your messages without saying anything. C. They tell you too many secrets. The answer is B. If you said A, that's Halloween. If you said C, maybe they're just spilling the tea. Now it's your turn. Have you ever been ghosted? Or, have you ever ghosted someone? Tell us in the comments. No judgment. Let's wrap it up. Today's phrase, to ghost someone, meaning ignore or cut off communication without explanation. Easy to remember, just imagine a texting cat disappearing like a ghost. If you enjoyed learning with me, hit like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. We teach English in English because that's the best way to start thinking in English. See you with another fun word or phrase. Bye for now.
Did you enjoy class? Tap that like button, subscribe, and come learn with me every day.